Hello friends, Dr. Meena Shah, health and life coach and a master trainer. Today I want to talk to you about very important thing. Most of the time we feel that we are intelligent here and we give so much focus and importance to our IQ, learning things, doing things. But I just want you to know that our bodies are more intelligent. हमारा शरीर हमसे दिन भर बात करता है, कुछ न कुछ हमसे कहता है, मगर हम अपने मन में जीते रहते हैं, सोच में जीते रहते हैं, काम में डूबे रहते हैं और शरीर की भाषा को इग्नोर करते हैं. टुडे आई वांट टू टेल यू कि लर्न टू लिसन टू योर बॉडी. आपका शरीर आपको क्या कह रहा है, अगर हम उसकी बात सुनते हैं और ना थोड़ा मैचिंग अपना लाइफस्टाइल बदलते हैं तो देखेंगे कि ज़्यादा एनर्जी है, ज़्यादा एफिशिएंसी है. तो जब आपका शरीर आपसे कहता है कि प्यास लगे है, पानी पी लो, तो पी लेना चाहिए. नहीं, मगर हम कुछ काम कर रहे हैं तो नहीं, अभी कहाँ उठूंगी, बाद में पी लूंगी, और विल इग्नोर द सिग्नल. सो दिस आर सो मेनी सिग्नल वी इग्नोर. The body will tell you, no, my back is feeling uncomfortable. It's time to get up and stretch. No, but I won't get up because I'm stuck, on something to complete, and then I will not get up. But I can just get up 2-3 times and again sit down and do the same thing. तो शरीर की भाषा जब हम सुनते हैं ना, we increase the level of comfort with our body. We can avoid overeating. We can avoid staying hungry. Because when we feel hungry and we don't eat at all, then suddenly after some time, little irritation starts building up. Instead of that, if we eat, we plan to eat when we feel hungry. We have something to eat. We don't need to go out there. So just listen to your body, and not only today, every day. And slowly, you would have planned yourself around what you have learned about your body. Like I have learned that I can't stay hungry. Even whether I'm traveling, whether I'm flying, whether I'm working, I need to eat at a regular interval. So now I have learned to plan for it. Okay, I don't want to go down and have something because I'm busy into something, and then at least I would keep something in my own room while I'm working from home. Maybe some dry fruit I will keep, maybe some peanuts I'll keep in my own room, but something which will help me to eat within 2 to 5 minutes and again sit down to work. Okay, so plan, like suppose when I'm flying, I hate food on the airplane so many times. So then I can't stay hungry because my flight is late or it is at the time, it's my breakfast time. Then what to do? Then now I have learned, I carry food with me. I carry an apple with me. Something or other is always there in my purse. But how did I do it? Because first I listen to my body. I listen to my body, I can't stay hungry on the flight. Okay, then I also listen to my body. Okay, when the food is served on the flight, I don't like it so much and I have to force myself to eat it. So that's how you will know yourself. Listen to your body. Small signals, whether it is for the rest, for the sleep, for movement, for eating, for not eating. And you will see, slowly, your awareness about your body will increase, your health will improve, your energy will improve.